In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from PayPal. If you need to move money out of your PayPal balance and into your bank account, this process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and go to your main account overview. From there, click on Wallet. This is the section where PayPal keeps your payment methods, linked banks, cards, and available balance information. If you're not sure where to start when you land on the homepage, Wallet is the place you'll want to open for anything related to moving money. Once you're inside the Wallet area, click on Send Payments. Even though the wording may sound like it's only for sending money to someone else, this section can also lead you to the withdrawal options connected to your balance. PayPal's layout can vary slightly depending on your region or device, but the option shown here is the one you need to select to continue the transfer process. Next, you'll be asked to choose between instant and standard withdrawal. This is an important step because it determines how quickly your money arrives and whether any fees may apply. An instant transfer usually sends the money much faster, often within minutes, but it can come with a fee. A standard transfer generally takes longer, but in many cases, it's the lower cost option or may even be free. Take a moment here to pick the option that makes the most sense for your situation based on speed and cost. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the details on the screen. Make sure the destination account is correct and that the transfer type you selected is the one you actually want. Small checks like this can help you avoid delays or needing to repeat the process later. After you've made your choice, click on Next. This takes you to the following stage of the withdrawal process, where PayPal will continue guiding you toward confirmation. As always, read the information on the screen carefully before finalizing anything, especially if there are fees, processing times, or account details displayed. And that's how to start withdrawing money from PayPal. If the exact labels on your screen look a little different, don't worry. That can happen with updates or different account regions. Just follow the same general flow. Go to Wallet, open the transfer related option, choose your withdrawal speed, and continue by selecting Next.